Understanding Workshop Attendees, a guide to English language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unpack the meaning of a commonly used phrase in professional and educational contexts, workshop attendees. If you've ever signed up for a workshop or are planning to, knowing this term will definitely come in handy. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase, workshop attendees, into two parts, workshop and attendees. Workshop. This is a meeting or a session focused on a particular topic, where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity. Workshops are often designed to teach something or develop a specific skill. They can be found in various settings, including educational institutions, corporate environments, and conference events. Attendees. This term refers to the people who are present at an event, in this case, the workshop. Attendees have usually registered or signed up to participate in the event, and they are there to learn, contribute, or both. Combining these terms, workshop attendees refers to the individuals who are present at a workshop, participating in its activities and discussions. Understanding the role of workshop attendees is crucial for grasping the full meaning of the term. Attendees are not just passive listeners, they are active participants. They may engage in various activities, such as listening to presentations or lectures, participating in discussions, practicing new skills under guidance, networking with peers and facilitators. The effectiveness of a workshop often depends on the engagement and contribution of its attendees, making their role vital to the workshop's success. Knowing the term, workshop attendees, is important for several reasons. It helps in understanding event-related communications, such as invitations, schedules, and feedback forms. For those organizing workshops, it's essential for planning purposes, including setting up the right environment and materials. For potential attendees, it clarifies what's expected of them if they decide to participate in a workshop. And there you have it, a closer look at the term, workshop attendees, and its significance in the realm of learning and professional development. Whether you're planning to attend a workshop or organize one, understanding this term and the roles involved can enhance the experience for everyone involved. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you navigate your educational and professional journeys more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on English language learning.